Santa Ana Park dito po sa Naik, Cavite. Bida sa karera.
Gates open, they're up and racing. Dr. Choice draws for your lead. Moving up on the outside to grab the lead. Dancing Dolphin, Magic Machine. Down on the inside, Una Mujer racing in fourth. Mr. Savior moving up by the rail Chomps. Dancer Bases running by the rail Lake His Way. Dugus Paramore also in there, followed by Ice Storm. In between runners Shine Again. Then moving up Cecilio, Magdapio, and Mr. Savior is racing in 14th as they rounded a 600. Magic Machine being joined now by Dancing Dolphin, moving up on the outside, puts its nose to grab the lead. Now we have Dancing Dolphin, Magic Machine, Dr. Choice arriving at the race too. Chops moving up by the rail, and down the stretch they come. Chops moves up to grab the lead. Dr. Choice is on the outside. Dr. Choice moves up to grab the lead, this time with a breakaway run by about 3 lengths with 75 meters. Dr. Choice, second Dugus Paramore. Chops, then comes Empire Princess close between Ice Storm and Dancing Dolphin.